Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the transmission fluid in a Honda Pilot. First, let's prepare. You'll need a drain pan, a new transmission fluid, and a funnel. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface, and the engine has run for a few minutes to warm the fluid slightly. This helps the fluid drain more easily. Also, identify both the drain plug and the fill bolt before you begin. Now, let's drain the old fluid. Position your drain pan carefully under the transmission drain plug. Using the correct wrench, slowly remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the fluid to come out quickly. Allow all the old fluid to drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Take a moment to inspect the drained fluid for its color and any unusual particles. With the old fluid drained, it's time to refill. First, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's tightened to the manufacturer's specifications, and use a new crush washer if applicable. Next, using your funnel, carefully pour the new transmission fluid into the fill hole. Most Honda Pilots require about 3 to 4 quarts for a drain and fill. Always double-check your owner's manual for the precise fluid type and volume. Finally, let's complete the process. Start your engine and shift through all the gears, pausing briefly in each, to ensure the new fluid circulates throughout the transmission. After a short drive, park on a level surface and recheck the fluid level using the dipstick. Add more fluid if necessary to reach the full mark. Remember to dispose of the old transmission fluid responsibly at an approved recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.